Hey there! We're thrilled to have you here. Our channel is all about home decor and craft. Whether you're looking to learn something new, find inspiration, or just enjoy some great entertainment, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. If you enjoy our videos, please give us a like and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support helps us create even more amazing content. Choosing the right kitchen cabinets can significantly impact the look and functionality of your space. Here are some popular design ideas to consider. 1. Style: modern, clean lines, minimalist aesthetics, and neutral colors. Traditional: ornate details, warm tones, and classic finishes. Rustic: natural materials, distressed finishes, and open shelving. Contemporary: a blend of modern and traditional elements, often featuring bold colors and unique hardware. 2. Material: wood, oak, maple, cherry, and walnut are popular choices. Thermofoil: a laminate material with a wood grain finish. Metal: stainless steel or aluminum for a sleek, industrial look. Acrylic: a high-gloss finish for a modern and reflective appearance. 3. Color: neutral, white, gray, and beige are timeless options. Bold: bright colors like blue, green, or red can add a pop of personality. Two-tone: combining different colors can create a visually interesting space. 4. Layout: U-shaped, efficient for larger kitchens. L-shaped: a versatile option for various kitchen sizes. G-shaped: offers ample counter space and storage. Galley: a narrow, efficient design for smaller kitchens. 5. Hardware: knobs and pulls. Choose styles that complement your overall design. Hidden hardware: for a clean and minimalist look. 6. Storage solutions: corner cabinets. Maximize storage in tight spaces. Lazy Susans: increase accessibility in corner cabinets. Pull-out drawers: provide easy access to items. Pantry cabinets: offer ample storage for dry goods.